tongue. Then they go looking at the stars, cause they don't know who they really are. Walking around as bright as day, today I know it's another way. Selfish bias and I'm just a scientist. Our church is taught by this. I will buy this, no, everyone's racist. Like it's moralist. Our church is taught by this. I will buy this, no. They go solving things their own way, spending time together both night and day. Then they go solving things not so right. They think they're cool cause they beg to fight. Walking around blind as day, today I know it's another way. Selfish bias and I'm just a scientist. Our generation taught by this. I won't buy this, no, everyone's racist. Like it's moralist. Our generation taught by this. I won't buy this, no. I won't buy this, no. One, two, three, go! Don't get it. Why are you the way you are? Looks like I've taken this relationship one step too far. You say you get nervous when you talk to me. Guess and this pain inside, it's killing me. Why things have to be this way? Make you fade away. You're making excuses, you're blocking me out. You're faking it all. It's all you're making excuses, you're blocking me out. You're faking it all. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. All your fault. All your fault. I just don't get it. Why do you say the things you say? Why do you do these things? Do they do them to me? I've got some answers, but they probably won't help. Just can't stop this pain, it's killing me. Why things have to be this way? Cause I can't make you fade away. You're making excuses, you're blocking me out. You're faking it all. It's all you're making excuses, you're blocking me out. You're faking it all. It's all your fault. excuses, you're blocking me out. You're faking it all. It's all you're making excuses, you're blocking me out. You're faking it all. It's all your fault. All your fault. All your fault. All your fault. It's all your fault. It's kinda hard to be a teenager. As you get older, their looks get stranger. They don't know you, but you're not kind. The way that you dress, they made up their mind. You're a rebel and they just know it. You got a temper, you can't control it. Like to listen to your music real loud. You're a part of the teenage crowd. Na 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 na. Kinda hard to be a teenager and bit of struggle to be a teenager and kinda hard to be a teenager and bit of struggle to be a teenager and kinda hard to be a teenager and bit of struggle to be a teenager and when you didn't go where you say you went, when you're guilty, proven an asset. Ignorance is the bat they're swinging, thinking every teenager's the same. When something goes wrong, you're the one to blame. You're a rebel and they just know it. You got a temper, you can't control it. Like to listen to your music real loud. They are a part of the teenage crowd. Na 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 na. Kinda hard to be a teenager and bit of struggle be a teenager and kinda hard to be a teenager and bit of struggle be a teenager and kinda hard to be a teenager and bit of struggle be a teenager and when you didn't go where you say you went, when you're guilty, proven an asset. walking blind. There's better things that we can find in this world. In this world, walking round and we don't mind all the things we've left behind for this world. For this world, you were always there, standing always there with me, always there, for always. they can't stop me, make me proud for this world, for this world. And there are things that'll turn us round. They can't stop me, I'm heaven-bound from this world, away from this world. You were always there, standing always there with me, always there for always. You were always there, standing always there with me, always there for always. You don't expect me to be perfect. You still love me and understand. You don't expect me to be perfect. It's why I'm proud to stand. You were always there, standing always there with me, always there for always. You were always there, standing always there with me, always there for always. There's lots of girls to choose from. The question you ask yourself is what they make you become. They can take places you don't wanna go, manipulating you ways you wouldn't even know. They can get you to spend time and cash and cause your whole world and heart to crash. They're just no good head girls. They don't like the way they should. Trust me, never start. They'll totally break your heart, girls. They're just no good at girls. They don't like the way they should. Trust me, never start. They'll totally break your heart. Girls are cool, hard to keep track of till like school. The word we isn't as good as me, but I'm waiting for the perfect girl, the one for me. They're just no good head girls. They don't work the way they should. Trust me, never start. They'll totally break your heart, girls. They're just no good at girls. They don't work the way they should. Trust me, never start. They'll totally break your heart. different than mine. It's not gonna help if you sit there and whine. Gonna get busted if you commit the crime. You figure this out, then get in line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Punchman is punchman and criticism is compliment. Life's like some deal thing. Sucks off from play about it. Punchman is punchman. Criticism is compliment. Life's like some deal thing. Sucks off from play about it. Whoa! Pumps aren't any different than mine. Stop whining about it, you're wasting your time. You're gonna get hurt if you step on the mine. You can figure this out, then get in line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Punchman and criticism is compliment. Life's like so deal thing. Sucks off, so I'm playing about it. Punchman is punchman. Criticism is compliment. Life's like so deal thing. Sucks off, so I'm playing about it. Punchman is punchman, criticism is compliment. Life's like some deal thing. Sucks off, don't think about it. Punchman is punchman, criticism is compliment. I got purpose too. I'm not lost cause yet hope just as good as you. Not lost cause yet got purpose too. I'm not lost cause got purpose too. I'm not lost cause yet, I'm just as good as you. Lost cause yet, got purpose too. I'm not lost cause yet, I'm just as good as you. One, two, three, go! I'm under frustration. I have just one question: is anything ever going? I've got a hesitation to change this decision. I have just one question: is anything ever going? Take it back before the fall. Never had a chance, never talked at all. Putting up bricks to build the wall. Never had a chance, never had a chance at all. Take back before the fall. Never had a chance, never talked at all. Putting up bricks to build the wall. Never had a chance, never had a chance at all. Some information, I'm under frustration. I have just one question: is anything ever going? I've got a situation, can't stand your criticism. I have just one question: is anything ever going? Take it back before the fall. Never had a chance, never talked at all. Putting up bricks to build the wall. Never had a chance, never had chance at all. Take back before the fall. Never had a chance, never talked at all. Putting up bricks to build the wall. Never had a chance, never had chance at all. Show, you give your pay, 'cause this week's allowance, that's okay. You had some homework, you didn't get it done. Doesn't matter anymore, let's get up, jump and run. Run, 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 come on, let's go. The show's a show, and you know just got to have fun. Well, you know, and you know, just got to have fun. Whoa, whoa, to a little game. It's called a Marshfield, it calls your name. You're kinda hesitant, it looks like fun. You'll be drenched and full of sweat before the night is done. Done, 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 come on, let's go. The show's a show, and you know, you just got to have fun. Well, you know, and you know, just got to have fun. Whoa, show's a show, and you know, you just got to have fun. Well, you know, and you know, you just got to have fun. Show's a show, and you know, you just got to have fun. Well, you know, and you know, you just got to have fun. Whoa! Whoa! changed his mind, and now he has seen the light. The Dominos Guy, he changed his mind, and now he has seen the light. The Dominos Guy, he changed his mind, and now he has seen the light. The Dominos Guy, he changed his mind, and now he has seen the light. So I say thank you, Dominos Guy. Thank you, Dominos Guy. Thank you, Dominos. Thank you, Dominos. The Dominos Guy, the Dominos Guy, the Dominos Guy. He's living a lie. The Dominos Guy, the Dominos Guy, the Dominos Guy. He's living a lie. Dominos Guy. You are living a lie. Dominos Guy. You are not living a lie.
Many things have happened.
Wait, has something happened? Is it started?
Luke spilled a bag of chips.
Yeah.
Tyler clogged up the toilet.
And
Luke got lost too.
it's been a great we lost Luke.
No, I didn't get lost. They thought I did, but I found my way
No,
back
you
home.
got
lost.
No,
Yo.
I sounded nasally too. It was kind of
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah,
sounded like a toad.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun recording the CD. You know.
Hey, so you remember that toast?
Yeah, the toast.
Yeah.
Toast. Oh, that's good. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, shut up. Oh no.
All right.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
All right. See you later. Everyone have a good night. See you later.
See you guys later. Sign
Well,
off.
good night.
Bye.
Now, I remember this one time.
No, shut up.
I get grade
Shut up,
school.
you guys. Have a good night.
I came to my class and I was like, hey,
Hey.
where's my teacher? And
Oh, the
so,
teacher.
like,
Say bye, Luke.
Bye.
you know, I was looking for my teacher and everything, and
So I was
Luke, we're
thinking.
leaving.
I was thinking.
Luke.
wait, it
leaving.
just started, didn't it?
I was thinking we could.
Hey, bye.
Probably.
Hey, bye.
Hey, well, yeah.
leave.
So, like, my teacher, she was fat.
Leaving. Luke, let's go. Luke, let's go. Hey, Luke.
Now. Hold on, I gotta say something for the camera. I mean, the camera.
All right, that's why you need to
Oh
go.
no! Oh no!
Get out of here. Get out of here.